Should I stand my ground or listen to my heartbeat sound? When you're not here, the beating becomes more severe. I know what I want, right? Someone who would try with all their might and wouldn't back down from a fight. Someone who would hold me every night. I want that to be you so bad. All I seem to feel is sad that I lost what we once had, and how I couldn't stop